Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys at my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to about guys Google phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Google phone guys phone app layout setting and how to customize. Friends, you want to customize guys your app layout setting in your Google phone device, and how to customize. Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys one by one, step by step guys. So first of all guys, open your guys Google phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting in your Google phone device. Friends, click on guys your phone wallpaper and style setting guys. Wallpaper and style setting guys, we will on it. Friends, you can see wallpaper and style setting guys. Scroll it friends. Last guys, app grid means app layout guys, we will tap here. So guys, you can customize. You can see there are guys 5 sizes, so we can customize guys which size you like 5 row 5 columns, 4 row 4 column guys, 4 column and 5 rows. You can use, you can customize according to yourself. 2 row and 2 columns we can adjust from here. Which one do you like guys? You like guys 5 5, so guys we will apply guys 4 4. So as example guys, we will click on 3 3 and apply. As you can see, successfully guys will apply guys 3 row and 3 columns will set. So like that guys, you can use guys your app layout guys setting, and guys you can adjust according to yourself guys. You can see guys only 3 app and 3 column guys I can adjust here guys. If I take guys 4, so it will not work guys, you can see. So like that guys, you can use guys your app layout setting guys. You can adjust, you can customize which guys you like 3 like 3 4 4 4. So guys, you can customize from here 4 4 4 5 2 2. So we can apply for here. So friends, you can see 2 row and 2 columns. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys. I hope friends you understood how to customize and how to adjust app layout setting in Google phone device. So bye guys, we will meet in the next video. Friends, do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section. And friends, before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye guys.